Hi, I'm Dr. Linda Marquez-Guidain. In this video, I actually wanted to talk about what I do whenever I'm in pain and have pushed a little bit too much at the gym and worked out way too hard. So that's what happened a couple of days ago. Literally, I could not get out of bed. I felt like I got run over by a truck. Not just any truck, but a semi. I just could not get up out of bed. I haven't felt that in years. I guess sometimes, and it wasn't even I like to do Tabata type of exercises, and it was a short, intense workout, but I literally cannot get out of bed the next day. That's never happened to me. So in this video, what I want to share is, how did I recover so quickly? What did I do? I'm going to share what has worked for me, what I have recommended, and literally from not being able to get out of bed, hardly ever, I can't even move my head. And I try to get up, my husband wasn't around to help me, and literally had to hold my head in my hands like this and just get up out of the bed. It almost felt like my neck was fractured or something. But anyways, so of course, after a fresh injury or overdoing it at the gym, one of the things that I always go to, of course, is an ice pack. So I definitely put an ice pack on my neck. I kept, for 20 minutes, within the first 48 hours of an injury, you always want to use ice. So I did that. Went to my Mighty supplements. This is something I use, is Turmeric XL, and I know that I've shared this within other videos, but this for the inflammation. So I took about 4 to 6 teaspoons throughout the day. Did some omega as well, some fish oils, and with the 4 teaspoons here equated to about 1,600 milligrams of the turmeric. And then the omegas, I took this twice a day, even with some 3 times a day. So I took about 6 capsules. So definitely about 4 to 5 grams here of some fish oils. Then I took some glutamine. This is more known with bodybuilders who want to recover. I took between 2 to 3 grams per day. So this is 500 milligrams per capsule. Also took some magnesium. So I usually take this at nighttime to help me sleep. So what I did was did this 2 or 3 times a day, 2 dropperfuls of that. This is something I have been using for over 20 years, and my family uses it. It's even with people that like blood sugar issues. So I had kind of stopped using it for a while. Then as soon as I started using this is how I personally use this. So you've got to, of course, consult with your doctor, but I put about 1/4 of a teaspoon and some salt and water, and I drank this every hour on the hour while I was awake, so that it could just it started to work quickly. And of course, on top of this, I went and got adjustments by my chiropractor, Dr. Tally, so I want to give him some credit for getting me back on feeling amazing again. First day, really, he couldn't really move so much because it was probably just so inflamed. Second day, went back, did some physical therapy as well. And I went in there with the pain of a 9.5, and by the end of the day, I was like at a 2.0. So that's pretty darn awesome. And other things that I did, and that hopefully this could be helpful for you, I actually filled the tub with Epsom Salt. I probably used about, I don't know, half a bag of a 5-pound bag. So I did put quite a bit of salt in there. And then these are some of the oils that I used. Used 2 to 3 drops. So I used some lavender because lavender is very common. Wintergreen, I've used that. It's very great for any type of inflammation, arthritics, arthralgia type of pain. Same thing with peppermint, so I did use that. These are all Young Living oils. I also used sage, because for circulation, and rosemary. It's more just overall feeling better, because I really felt like I was just falling apart. I was thinking, if this is how people feel on a daily basis, how could they function? So that's what I did. Of course, keeping my diet clean. I think part of it was that I might have eaten something that just my system did not agree with, so I had a cortisol response, was more stressed than usual, overdid it a little bit at the gym. And I think I sometimes forget my age, even though I don't even want to use that as a factor. You know, I am in my 5th decade of life, but I feel like I'm in my 20s. So I go and I work out and I train that way. So I hope that you don't ever feel this way. But if you do, here are some simple things. I've always been about natural and doing things, you know, without drugs, you know, if at all possible. So I wanted to share that with you. Always, 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 you need to consult with your practitioner, your doctor, know what to do, and just kind of sharing what works for me and, you know, what I do to stay healthy and stay fit and just live life to the fullest. So I hope that helps you. So if you like this video, please share the video, subscribe to our channel. There's a bell there. Click on that bell so anytime we have a video that pops up, you're going to get some notifications there. These videos are for you. It's for me to get back to you, for you to learn about how to take care of your body so that you can be the best version of you and give to this world yourself in the most, I would say, the most abundant, amazing way that you can. All right, we'll catch you on the next video. See ya. Bye.